as you can see, there is a QR code. Again, I'm hiding it because, you know, it's a security reason. But you can scan this QR code with your phone and it's going to take you right to the MyQ app to program it directly through the MyQ app. Or I will show you the method to do it without any app and without any anything. So it's very simple. What you have to make sure is first that you hold, in this case, the 2 button of this remote, which is the L932M. So you're going to hold it until the light is static. From there, you're going to press on the Learn button. And then you're going to press twice on the button that you want to program. And you see it's blinking. Now it's going to cycle through the frequencies. And then when you see this light blinking again, you press again on the button you want to program. And that's it. Now the remote is programmed. And you have the brand new Security Plus 3.0 remotes programmed, in this case, the L932M. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.